Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create and organize pages in your Canvas course. So I'm starting off in my Canvas dashboard and I'm going to go into one of my courses. And so here this is set to take me to my Canvas homepage. So I'm going to want to find pages in my course navigation because I want to add a new page. Right, and then once I'm here, you will again see your home page if you have one set. To add a new page, you will need to click the button that says View All Pages. Right, and then here you can see I only have one page currently created in this course, my home page, and so I want to add a new one. I'm going to plus page on the right. And this opens up the rich content editor where you can add a variety of content for your students. You can add YouTube videos, you can add Google Docs, Google Slides, you can add text, of course, and images. You can add links to certain things. So Pages is a really great way that you can organize content for your students. So here I'm just going to give this a title called Example Page, and this is the title that will show up when we add it to our module later. And so again, in here in this box, you can add a variety of elements using this rich content editor. We do recommend that you organize your content in a table. You can do this by going to Table, scrolling down to Table, and then creating one with how many rows and columns that you want. You can also edit this table. For example, if I want to merge these cells, I can highlight them, go back to Table, go to Cell, and merge cells. I also have this toolbar that shows up where I can add and delete rows and columns as well. So if you organize your content in a table, it just makes it so that everything's in line with each other and you can organize the content a little bit better. Okay. So if I scroll down to the bottom, I have a couple options before I save and publish. I can make it so that others can edit this page, or I can make it so that only teachers are able to edit this page. I can also add this to a student to-do list. This will make it so that this will show up on the student's calendar. So if I want students to view this page tomorrow, this will show up for them. And I can also click this button to notify users that the content has changed. And this will just send an email to users when it is updated. Right, and once I'm done adding various elements to my page, I'm going to either save and publish if I want students to see it, or just save if I'm not ready to quite publish it yet. I'm going to select Save and Publish here. All right, and then you can see my created page. I just had a table, example page, and then you can see that I've added it to the to-do list. Right, and so now that my page is created, I do want to organize it into a module. So to do that, I'm going to go to the course navigation and select modules. And I want to add that page to this May 17th to May 21st module. So I'm going to go into that gray bar, click the plus button, click this drop-down menu and add a page. And here I can highlight the example home page that I created. And I also have the option to create an indent for that page in the module as well. So I'm adding this item. And then here you can see that the page is now in my module.